The fee template is for policies that pay a fee amount based on the number of lives. Individual and group medical are examples of policies that use this template. This video is specific to the fee policy import template. Please refer to the Policy Import Templates overview video for general information. Before beginning, remember not to add any columns, rows, or tabs to the template. Fields in red are required to import the policies. Fields in green are required to calculate commissions. Fields in purple are required to match commissions from the statement to the policy. To download a template, go to the main menu and click Policies. Click the Policy Import icon. Click the template name to download it. Start on the Base Policy tab. Click the Step 1 tab or move your cursor over any of the column headings for more information. Select a client type. There are 3 different client types to select from: individual, group, and worksite. Client type is a required field. This example is for an individual health insurance policy. If an individual client is selected, enter a first name and last name. These are required fields. The individual user-defined field is available for individual and worksite clients. It is a placeholder for any type of information. This field is optional. The label for the field can be changed inside the application in the Account Profile section. The information is attached to the individual and will appear in most reports. Each policy requires an agent. Each policy requires a carrier. Select a status from the drop-down. A is for an active policy. Active policies are in force and paying commissions. P is for a pending policy. Pending policies are those in underwriting and have not been issued. This is a required field. Enter a policy number. A policy number is required to match a commission to a policy. If the policy number is unknown, leave this field blank. To be announced will be entered as the policy number when the policies are imported. Enter the effective date. The effective date is the start date of the policy. Enter the number of lives. This will be the number that is multiplied times the fee amount in the comp plan. Enter a comp plan name. A comp plan describes how much and how long a commission is paid for a policy. The comp plan name should match exactly the comp plan name in the application. Enter the premium paid for the policy. Enter the mode of how the premium is paid. Enter a product name. The product name should be spelled exactly as it appears in the commission statement. Products are linked to a specific carrier. To add a new product, go to the main menu and click Carriers Products Revenue Types from the Data tab. This field will be used to match a commission to the policy. The product statement code is the name as it appears in the commission statement. The product label is a name you can recognize when adding a new policy in the application. Enter a type and subtype. The most popular types and subtypes come preloaded. Select from these or add your own in the application or template. The Other Comp tab is for adding other compensation that is paid on a policy. The other comp can be paid on the same commission statement as the base policy, or in a separate statement. An example of other comp is an override or bonus. The other compensation usually has a separate comp plan from the base policy. Other comp commissions can be tracked separately from the base policy. The policy number for the other comp must also exist in the Base Policy tab. Enter a status. Enter a revenue type name. The revenue type name should be spelled exactly as it appears in the commission statement. Revenue types are linked to a specific carrier. To add a new revenue type, click Carriers Products Revenue Types from the Data tab. This field will be used to match a commission to the policy. The revenue type statement code is the name as it appears in the commission statement. This is the name to put into the template. The revenue type label is a name you can recognize when adding a revenue type to a new policy in the application. A new revenue type can also be added directly to the template. The revenue type name will link automatically to the carrier when the policies are imported. Enter a comp plan name. The comp plan for an override or bonus is typically not the same as the base policy. A new plan should be created if the compensation for the other comp is different from the base policy. The comp plan name should match exactly the comp plan name in the application. Only other compensation that pays a fee can be added here.